Excuse me. Name a color that starts with the letter M. Don't answer, Mlu.
Ming?
Sir, excuse me. What is your greatest loss?
Carlos.
Excuse me. In what sport do men run fast?
Responsibilities?
What cooking dish of your wife do you think is her specialty?
Egg.
What's your message to people who keep drinking alcohol?
Don't forget to put ice in it.
Excuse me. Question for you guys.
What is question?
Besides fish, what else can you catch in the sea?
Giraffe?
Sir, excuse me. Question for you.
You again?
Yes. What is the plural form of pride?
Rice?